Today we want to talk about resistance of a metallic conductor. It's a very important topic. It's a very important topic for those students who are going to appear for NTSE-Stage-2, who are going to appear for JEE-Mains 2020 and who are going to appear for NEET 2020. So I want to say that as far as NTSE-Stage-2 is concerned, its level is high, although it is postponed, but try to prepare for it, try to go for upper levels there and enjoy the subject. Let's start. चलो शुरू करते हैं. Although you studied it बहुत आसान सा आपको लगेगा इस समय that this is going out to be as a metallic conductor. It is a cylindrical metallic conductor which you are viewing, and this cylindrical metallic conductor is having the length of L and the area of cross section is A. Watch it carefully. So if I view it from this side, it is going out to be as simply the face, and this is a circular face. I am calling it as CF at this juncture. ये एक circular face है, and this is also the circular face. This is a circular face here, and I say that this is circular face 1 and this is circular face 2. There is a terminal which is coming out from here. यहाँ से एक terminal बाहर आ रहा है, and one terminal is coming out from over here. And in general हम क्या कह देते हैं? We want to find the resistance of the metallic conductor. हम इस metallic conductor का resistance find out करना चाहते हैं, but that is not very correct. ये बहुत ज़्यादा correct नहीं है, क्योंकि आगे चल के ये misconcept create करता है और हमें problem होती है. तो पहले समझिए, be very careful, be very focused here, that we are interested to find the resistance of the metallic conductor between two faces, phase 1 and phase 2. फिर बोल रहा हूँ, we are interested to find the resistance of this metallic conductor between these two faces, and circular phase 1 is known as terminal 1 and this circular phase 2 is known to be as terminal 2. So what I can say that I am finding the resistance between the terminal 1 and 2 of a metallic conductor, but try to observe a very fine thing. These two circular faces are parallel to each other. Number one thing is. One more important thing is that the area of these two circular faces is same. अलग-अलग नहीं है. That time you apply the formula that resistance between the two terminals of the metallic conductor R1, 2 means between 1 and 2 is rho L upon A. L is the length of the metallic conductor, आप जानते हैं. A is the area of cross section and rho is the resistivity. And as far as resistivity is concerned, you are known to the fact that it depends on two things. Number one is material of the conductor, and number 2 is temperature. अभी हमारा focus resistance पे है, ठीक है. Now मैं थोड़ा सा improve करता हूँ आपको. Let's move from case first to case second. And what I say that this is simply nothing, but this is not a cube, it is a cuboid. Reason behind it, क्योंकि आपके पास में जो तीनों sides हैं, these three are not equals to each other, so this is a cuboid. Now what happens if your examiner is asking that question is that find the resistance between these two faces, F1 and F2. So what you say that okay, F1 and F2 are parallel to each other. Formula we can apply quite easily. It is R12, that should be equals to what? Rho L upon A. But suppose I say that there is a question that one more face is there and I call this top face. I will explain it to you. This is F3. This is phase F3 and this is phase F4. Let me show you one thing. So this is simply an example of a cuboid. So right from here to here you are viewing that this is the length of L. View it. This is the length of L. This is height H and this is the breadth of B. Now what I want to say that I am interested to find the resistance of this metallic conductor which is in the form of cuboid, resistance of this metallic conductor which is in the form of cuboid between phase F1, between phase F3 and F4, between top and bottom. So first one is between left and right, F1, F2, then it is F3, F4, and one more case will be there between F5 and F6. Agreed? So you can say, sir, it can create a trouble to me because that time what I do about length, because L is the length, every time you will have to take it, हर बार क्या इसे ही लेना है? तो पहले मैं आपको एक कंसेप्ट बिल्डिंग का काम कर देता हूं कि ये L क्या है, what about this L? Be very careful. Then I say to you that rho is rho here, but L is distance between, D means distance between parallel faces. Be careful. DBPF, distance between parallel faces. So ये L नहीं है. L is what? L is the distance between parallel faces. पैरेलल फेसेस कौन से? जिनके बीच में आप रेजिस्टेंस फाइंड आउट करना चाहते हैं. तो मैंने कहा ये डिस्टेंस बिटवीन पैरेलल फेसेस एंड इट इज एरिया ऑफ पैरेलल फेस. ये किसी एक फेस का एरिया है. तो आपका जो फॉर्मूला है वो चेंज हुआ और मैंने आपको कहा दैट ओरिजिनल फॉर्मूला नाउ गोज आउट टू बी एज रेजिस्टेंस बिटवीन टू पैरेलल फेसेस. Resistance between two parallel faces of a metallic conductor will be equals to resistivity, which is a constant quantity, multiplied by d distance between two parallel faces divided by area of one of the parallel face. लेकिन area equal होना चाहिए, ध्यान रखिएगा. And in these two cases the area of the two parallel faces are equal to each other. Now there is a question, करने की कोशिश करते हैं हम उसको. आई एम इंटरेस्टेड फाइंड द रेजिस्टेंस ऑफ दिस मेटालिक कंडक्टर. मेटालिक कंडक्टर को अब मैं यहाँ एम ऑब्लिक सी लिख दिया करूंगा. सो बी केयरफुल. सो यू आर इंटरेस्टेड टू फाइंड द रेजिस्टेंस ऑफ दिस मेटालिक कंडक्टर बिटवीन फेस F1 एंड F2 एंड हियर आई एम राइटिंग द फॉर्मूला. सो बिटवीन F1 एंड F2, पहले इन दोनों के बीच का डिस्टेंस देखिए तो इट विल बी L. सो इट इज रो हियर. Length is means distance between two parallel faces, it will be L, and area of the face, this is a rectangle. इस रेक्टेंगल की बात करें तो आप कहेंगे सर इसका एक साइड ये वाला ये रहा, this is B, ये रहा B, this is B and this is what? This is H. तो इसका एरिया हो जाएगा आपके पास में B multiplied by H. Is that clear? चलिए थोड़ा सा आगे चलते हैं. Suppose I want to go for F3 and F4, top and bottom, F3 and F4, because neither the material is changing nor the temperature is changing, so rho is constant. Length means distance between these two parallel faces, F3 and F4 के बीच का distance, so you can say it will be equals to H divided by what? Area of the face. This is area of the face, and it is again a rectangle. This side is B and this side is what? L. So this side is B, this side is L. So the face area, that is a rectangle, it will be B multiplied by the L, and I am writing it to be as L multiplied by B. Okay, then I can say front and rear. थोड़ा सा मैं समझा देता हूँ, आपको क्लियर हो जाएगा. बहुत आसान सी चीज़ है. This was going out to be as left and right, F1 and F2, top and bottom, F3 and F4. If you are viewing it from this side, it is visible to you, but it is not visible to you. But I can show you that this is F5 and this is F6. So one is front and one is rear. This is the case. F5 and F6. Agreed? तो F5 और F6 के बीच का जब हम बात करते हैं तो आप मुझे जवाब देंगे, सर व्हाट अबाउट द you say that resistivity won't get changed out. क्यों नहीं बदलेगा, जल्दी से बताइए. Neither the material nor the temperature, both are not changing, so rho is constant. F5 and F6, इन दोनों के बीच का, F5 पीछे F6 आगे, इन दोनों के बीच का distance, which we call it as a length, I say to you that this is B, and यदि आप इनका face area देखते हैं, then L, and this is simply going out to be as H, so you can call it to be as LH. And now you improved a lot. आप में एक conceptual change आया that R equals to rho L by A. L is not simply the length. L is the distance between the two parallel faces. between what we want to calculate the resistance. And what about the A? A is the area of cross section of the face. ठीक है, कंसेप्ट बन गया आपका, आपने उठा के ये वाले फॉर्मूले लिख लिए. अब एक बहुत पॉपुलर क्वेश्चन है, मैं यहाँ करवा देता हूँ, बहुत मेहनत से करते हैं लोग उसको, एंड इट इज एग्जाम्पल 1. डबल स्टार लगा रहा हूँ डियर स्टूडेंट्स. आई एम पुटिंग 2 स्टार्स. रीजन बिहाइंड इट कि मतलब इसको जो है डिफिकल्ट के कैटेगरी में डाला जाता है. स्टूडेंट्स जेई मेंस और एडवांस वाले जितने भी हैं या नीट वाले स्टूडेंट्स हैं, वो थोड़ा सा फील करते हैं, सर देखना पड़ेगा, कुछ करना पड़ेगा, बट आप बहुत आसानी से कर सकते हैं. आई से दैट देयर इज अ क्यूबॉइड, and this cuboid is having the length, breadth and height in the ratio of 3:2:1. Then what is asked? There is a cuboid, a metallic conductor. There is a metallic conductor in the form of cuboid whose length, breadth and height are not given. It is 3 meter, 4 meter, not given. The ratio of length to breadth to height, it is given to be as 3:2:1, and the ratio which is asked, that what can be the maximum resistance and its ratio with what? Minimum resistance. This is asked. That for this cuboid, I am not asking that what will be the maximum resistance. I am asking that what can be the ratio of maximum resistance to minimum resistance. Now how the people proceed? How the student proceed? It is a simple method by which student want to go through there. So R equals to what? R is equals to rho L by A. So if you want to go for R max, I am saying that it is R max. Then R max should be equals to what? This is equals to rho length maximum. Numerator maximum होना चाहिए, and area should be what? Area should be minimum. So रो तो रो है, यदि मैक्सिमम चाहिए then length should be maximum and area should be minimum. And if you need what? R minimum, that time you can say rho. अब minimum area चाहिए, so length should be minimum, numerator should be minimum and denominator should be maximum. This concept students are ready to apply. Now what is happening? Okay, I am interested to go for R max. So length maximum, it is going out to be as 3. Then breadth is 2, then it is going out to be as 1. So usually what the student do, sir, it is going out to be, if I say L, let it is 3, let it is 3. So it goes out to be as 3 here, then breadth what? It goes out to be breadth, that is 2 here, and height will be at 1. 3:2:1. I am interested to find what? I am interested to find R max to R min. So R max, the student is writing it as rho L. Yes, it is maximum. So it is L is distance between the two faces 3. And now you see that this area is minimum or not. So this is the breadth. Breadth is what? 2. Height is what? 1. So area will be 2 into 1. That is 2. This is our maximum. पता कीजिए, where is the maximum area? Here the area will be, this area will be, this area will be, length is 3 and this is going out to be as a breadth, so it is 2, 3:2, it will be 6. So it is 6, it is 6. Here it goes out to be simply nothing but height is equals to what? Height is equals to 1. It is going out to be as 2. So 2 is 2, 2 into 1, it is going to be as 2. And if you want to go for which area over there, that goes out to be as the front and the back, front and the rear. This goes out to be height, it comes to be as 1, it is 3. So 3 into 1 is 3. So areas can be 3, areas can be 2, or areas can be what? That goes out to be as 6. So what is the minimum area? 2. What is the maximum length? That comes to be is 3. So that time L max upon A min, it is R max. Now what to do for R min? Minimum resistance. For minimum resistance, length should be minimum. Minimum length will be, that goes out to be as height, this one, 1. So between this and this face, okay, it is going out to be as rho. Resistivity is, length is what? 1. Area. Area should be maximum. Area should be maximum. So this is going out to be what? 3. This face, top and bottom. this is 3, this is 2, 6. Yes, it is going out to be as the maximum area, so it comes to be as 6. And if you find the ratio, you say that it is 3 by row से row cancel हो जाएगा, and 3 by 2 is to 1 by 6. And you can say quite easily 6 से multiply कर दीजिए या किसी भी फॉर्म में ले लीजिए, तो आप मुझे जवाब देंगे that it goes out to be 6 से multiply कीजिए, तो it is going out to be as 18 divided by 2 is to 1, and it comes to be as 9 is to 1. So your answer is 9 is to 1, and that's the procedure. So what you are doing, yes, you are preparing up to a good level. Conceptually you are thinking that L is not the length, it is the distance between the faces. Okay, but suppose I say that you want to be among the top rankers there, then there should be some short trick. Trick is not a good word, but although I am utilizing it, it is simply nothing but it is a brain working. अब आप इंटेलिजेंट हैं, बनना पड़ेगा, यूज करना पड़ेगा. एक कमाल की चीज सिखाता हूँ अब आपको, एंड दिस इज देव शर्माज मेथड. तो मैं इसे हमेशा लिखता हूँ DS मेथड. अरे यार, न्यूटन साहब ने न्यूटन का नाम लिखा तो मैं भी तो मेरा नाम लिखूंगा ना. इट इज माई राइट. चलिए थोड़ा सा आगे लेके चलता हूँ, आपको मजा आने वाला है. ये खतरनाक चीज है, दैट इज डेंजरस फन देयर. इज दैट क्लियर? मजा आ जाएगा आपको. जब मैंने इंजीनियरिंग किया था इलेक्ट्रिकल साइड से, तब से मैं इस चीज़ को जानता हूँ और बहुत अच्छी तरह से यूज़ करता हूँ. सो रेजिस्टेंस विल बी इक्वल्स टू रो एल अपॉन ए. एग्रीड? समझ रहे हैं ना आप? थोड़ा सा आगे चलिए, मैं एक काम करता हूँ, दोनों तरफ देखिए आपके सामने. L इज द लेंथ एंड A इज द एरिया ऑफ क्रॉस सेक्शन. अब मैंने क्या किया, सिर्फ एक दिमाग लगाया कि मैं आपके न्यूमरेटर और डिनोमिनेटर दोनों को L से मल्टीप्लाई कर देता हूँ. सो व्हाट हैपन्स आउट, रो L अपॉन A मल्टीप्लाइड बाय L बाय L, कैंसिल कर दीजिए. L इंटू L इट गोज आउट टू बी एज L स्क्वायर, एंड इट इज A इंटू L, एरिया ऑफ क्रॉस सेक्शन मल्टीप्लाइड बाय द लेंथ. A इंटू L, मीटर स्क्वायर मल्टीप्लाइड बाय मीटर, मीटर क्यूब, सो इट विल बी द वॉल्यूम. अब आपको समझ आया होगा कि मैं आपको कहाँ लेके चलना चाहता हूँ. तो सपोज आई से दैट दिस इज द लेंथ, ये लेंथ है मेरी, है ना, और ये एरिया ऑफ क्रॉस सेक्शन है. तो इस एरिया ऑफ क्रॉस सेक्शन को इससे मल्टीप्लाई कीजिए, आपके पास वॉल्यूम आएगा. आप इस एरिया ऑफ क्रॉस सेक्शन को इससे मल्टीप्लाई कर लीजिए, वॉल्यूम आएगा. आप क्या करेंगे, इस एरिया ऑफ क्रॉस सेक्शन को इस लेंथ से मल्टीप्लाई कीजिए, वॉल्यूम आएगा. और यार बहुत सीधी सी बात करता हूं, आप इस पूरे के पूरे क्यूबॉइड पर जब काम करते हैं, आइदर यू टेक F1 और F2, यू टेक F3 और F4, F5 और F6, किसी भी हालत में इस क्यूबॉइड का वॉल्यूम चेंज नहीं होने वाला है. So if volume remains to be as constant, that time there is going out to be as a one of the best method. But for what? If volume remains to be as constant. So if volume is constant, then you can say quite easily that resistance, rho constant है, volume constant है, तो resistance is directly proportional to what? Resistance is directly proportional to nothing, but it will be directly proportional to L square. जहां लेंथ ज्यादा होगा वहां रेजिस्टेंस मैक्सिमम आएगा. अब आपने ये कहा, इट मींस R max divided by R min, R max divided by R min, it should be equals to L, directly dependent to L square, means L max square divided by L min square. Try to understand it. If I want to write the formula, volume is same, so I can say it over here that in first case it will be let R, in second case it will be let R dash, so it will be equals to rho multiplied by L1 का square divided by volume. Next case R dash, it is rho L2 का square, volume is not changing, so it will be volume. And what you can say that R is to R dash should be equals to what? R is to R dash should be equals to L1 square should with L2 square. So R max upon R min, what you can say, R max is to R min should be simply nothing but L max square is to what? L min square. That is L max square upon L min का square. अब maximum length देखिए कितना था, रेशो फाइंड आउट करना है. सो मैक्सिमम इज व्हाट? 3. मिनिमम कितना है आपके पास में? 1. सो 3 स्क्वायर डिवाइडेड बाय 1 स्क्वायर, and 3 square divided by 1 square will be coming as 9, and your answer will be again coming as 9 is to 1. सो नो नीड, डायरेक्टली कीजिए, जरूरत ही नहीं पड़ता आपको, सिर्फ एक ध्यान रखना है और कॉन्सेप्ट बना लेना है, बहुत आसान सा सिंपल सा कॉन्सेप्ट है. इफ वॉल्यूम रिमेन्स टू बी एज कांस्टेंट एंड यू से दैट देयर आर द डिफरेंट रेजिस्टेंसेस व्हिच आर रिक्वायर्ड टू बी कैलकुलेटेड, वॉल्यूम कांस्टेंट है और अलग अलग फेसेस के बीच में आपको रेजिस्टेंसेस निकालने हैं, यूज द फॉर्मूला R is equals to rho L square divided by volume. And if you are required to find the ratios, in case of ratios, no exact calculation is required because those constant terms get cancelled out and you can say that ratio of the resistances will be L square divided by the L square in different cases and you can proceed quite easily. तो मेरे ख्याल से आपको समझ आ गया होगा. तो NTSE स्टेज 2 पर इस तरह का क्वेश्चन आता है, जेई मेंस में तो आता ही आता है, नीट वाले स्टूडेंट्स को ये काफ़ी डिफिकल्ट लगता है, तो मैंने बहुत आसानी से आपको समझा दिया है. फिर कल मिलेंगे, इसी तरह की कोई नई चीज़ लेके आऊँगा. तब तक के लिए आप सब लोग पढ़ते रहिए पूरी ऊर्जा के साथ, कोरोना से मत घबराइए, ये घबराने की चीज़ ही नहीं है, लड़ना है और लड़कर जीतना है. थैंक यू वेरी मच.